Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Muhammad. I am a 20 years old student who is studying at the University of 17 August 1945, Surabaya, who majored in mechanical engineering. I entered the campus in 2020 before I entered the University of 17 August 1945, Surabaya, or commonly called Untak Surabaya. I studied at one of the vocational schools in Sidoarjo. At the Untak Surabaya campus, I have participated in several activities that have been organized by one of the Untak Engineering Faculty Organization Surabaya. What I got from the commit yesterday was very useful. Even I was able to learn correspondence, and there are several others. I have several skills such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, acetylene welding machine, and welding machine. I have also practiced at PT PAL Indonesia. I was there to help operate the welding machine for approximately 3 months. That's all from my introduction. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.